friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 12, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. So please watch the video till end. First question. Where will be the AIBA Men's World Boxing Championship 2021 held? Answer: Belgrade. The World Championship of Boxing for Men will be held from 26 October to 6 November in Belgrade, Serbia, the International Boxing Association announced on Tuesday. Second question. Who has been appointed as the 38th National President of FICCI Ladies Organization? Answer: Ujjwala Singhania. Ujjwala Singhania appointed as the 38th National President of FICCI Ladies Organization. Ujjwala is a natural leader who strongly advocates for women's empowerment. Her drive and tireless efforts to make a difference to women in all walks of life led her to initiate the FLO Women Directors Initiative in 2015. Third question. When is International Nurses Day celebrated? Answer: May 12th. International Nurses Day is an international day observed around the world on May 12 of each year to mark the contributions that nurses make to the society. Fourth question. The third Arctic Science Ministerial 2021 was held in which city recently? Answer: Tokyo. The third Arctic Science Ministerial was held in Tokyo, Japan on the 8th and 9th of May 2021. Fifth question. Which is the first state to have an online digital flood reporting system? Answer: Assam. Jishnu Barua, Chief Secretary, Assam, on May 8, 2021 launched a digital real-time flood reporting and information management system in the state of Assam. With the launch of FRIMS, Assam becomes the first state to have a real-time digital flood reporting system. Sixth question. Who has launched Connected Commerce, creating a roadmap for a digitally inclusive Bharat? Answer: Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog and MasterCard on Monday released a report titled Connect Commerce, creating a roadmap for a digitally inclusive Bharat. The report identifies challenges in boosting digital and financial inclusion in the nation and recommends how digital services can be made accessible to all. Seventh question. Who was the director of Nehru Planetarium who died due to COVID-19? Answer: N. Ratnasri. Notable astronomy communicator and director of Nehru Planetarium, N. Ratnasri, 57 years old, died on Sunday after being infected with COVID. Ratnasri, who joined Planetarium in 1996 as a senior educator and became its director in 1999, has been credited with several new initiatives and projects during her long stint. Eighth question. Name NASA's Giant Webb Telescope which succeeded in its pre-launch. Answer: the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, 21 feet 4 inches mirror, was commanded to fully expand and lock itself into place, NASA said. A final test to ensure it will survive its million-mile journey and is ready to discover the origins of the universe. Ninth question. Who has become the first Sikh woman to be elected to Scottish Parliament? Answer: Pam Gosal. 53-year-old businesswoman Pam Gosal created history by becoming the first Sikh to be elected to Scottish Parliament? 10th question. Recently, which volcano was erupted in Indonesia? Answer: Mount Sinabung. Indonesia's Mount Sinabung, located in the North Sumatra province, erupted on Thursday, belching a massive column of volcanic ash and smoke 3,000 meters into the sky. The volcano has erupted in the March as well as sending a cloud of hot ash into the sky. 11th question. Who is the author of the book Elephant in the Womb? Answer: Kalki Koechlin. Actor Kalki Koechlin is making her debut as an author with an illustrated non-fiction book on motherhood. Publisher Penguin Random House India (PRHI) announced on Saturday. The national table tennis champion who died recently? Answer: Venugopal Chandrasekhar. Three-time national table tennis champion and international player V. Chandrasekhar passed away here on Wednesday due to COVID-19 related complications. Next question. What is the theme of World Nurses Day 2021? Answer: Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. The theme of this year, Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. Amidst COVID-19 pandemic, nurses are doing a selfless job. 14th question. Who became the first Indian to win Zayed Book Award 2021? Answer: Tahera Kutabuddin. Dr. Tahera Kutabuddin has become the first person from India to win prestigious Sheikh Zayed Book Award. The Mumbai-born professor won the honor for her book Arabic Oration, Art and Function, which was published by Brill Academical Publishers of Leiden in 2019. Fifteenth question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of NARC Limited? Answer: Padma Kumar Nair. State Bank of India Chief General Manager Padma Kumar Nair is all set to take over as the first Chief Executive Officer for the government approved NARC. Three people familiar with the process said. Questions for you. Who is the 68th Grand Master of India, which was revealed recently? Second question. When is International Labour Day? If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. Thank you.